Ratile Mabitsela has finally broken a silence nearly a year after the passing of her husband, a businessman Elias Mabitsela. Opening up about grief, rumors, and the truth behind their marriage, she revealed that the past year has been filled with pain, therapy, and the difficult task of raising her 3 children while healing as a family. Addressing long-standing speculation, Ratile made it clear that there was no divorce, admitting they were going through challenges but were still legally married when he passed away. She also touched on the public scrutiny surrounding allegations of infidelity, abuse, and will drama, which she previously denied, saying the situation was far more complicated than people assumed. Now Ratile says she is focused on her children and her healing journey and may step away from a reality TV unless it reflects her real life without manufactured a conflict. Her story, she says, is not about scandal but about surviving loss and rebuilding her life in the public eye.